In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image from a product page on Payhip. This is really helpful if you've uploaded the wrong image, want to clean up your product gallery, or just need to update your listing to look more professional. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual account details. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Products. Click on that. This will open a list of all the products you've created in your Payhip account. Take a moment to find the specific product where you want to remove an image. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar if you have many products. When you've located the correct product, look over to the right-hand side of that product's row. You should see an Edit button. Click on Edit to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, you'll see several sections, starting with the product title and price fields near the top. Just underneath those fields is the media section. This is where all of your product images are stored and displayed. Now, move your mouse over the image you want to remove. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor over the image. As you hover, a small Remove button will appear at the top left corner of that image. Once you see the button, click on Remove. The image will disappear from the media section, which means it will no longer show up on your live product page. If you have more than one image you'd like to remove, simply repeat the same process. Hover over each image, wait for the Remove button to appear, and click it. When you've finished removing all the images you no longer need, make sure you save your work. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the product editor page and click on the Save Changes button. This step is important because your edits won't go live unless you save them. After saving, your product page will be updated and any images you removed will no longer appear to your customers.